Under these collection accounts, you want to see the date of last activity. The date of last activity should be connected to the original account. So if you have ABC Company and they're collecting an AT&T bill, the original date of last activity should be the last time that you paid that AT&T bill. So if you didn't pay the AT&T bill, let's say January 2017, that's your true date of last activity. That collection company should be reporting that date of last activity on your credit report, okay? Because you don't have an arrangement with the debt collector. They're basically pointing out that they have this account in collection, and it should be connected to what the true accreditor is reporting, okay? When you look at the collection account, look at that date of last activity. If the date of last activity under that collection account is the day it reported on your credit report, they're trying to play you, okay? That has, they basically re-aged that account to make it seem like a more recent derogatory account on your credit report.